How clean is your world, y'all? This is Lyndon from Germz. Today I'm going to show you how to safely vacuum stairs using your upright vacuum cleaner. A canister vacuum would be easier, a backpack vacuum even easier, but an upright vacuum will still get the job done. But first, let me show you how not to vacuum stairs. Now, the reason why this is not the way to vacuum stairs, because if you trip and fall, you're going to fall onto the vacuum cleaner. The cord is in the way. And besides, you're not getting anything over here up against the wall because the brush head stops about right here. So rather than do a bad and dangerous job like I just did on these stairs, the right way to vacuum the stairs using the upright vacuum cleaner is actually go downstairs backwards. So I'm going to start with my back facing downstairs. I'm going to start at the very top, going downstairs. And it's just going to be real methodical the entire way down. One stair at a time. So that's it. That's how you vacuum stairs safely and do a good job at the same time. Keep in mind, stairs always carry the risk of injury, so be careful when you're doing it. If you learned anything from today's video, like it, share it, order our services online or our products. Click the link to go there right now. Until next time, y'all. Peace.